How to apply for Student Finance USA, step-by-step guide for college success. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for student finance in the USA. 1. Gather required documents: Social Security Number or SSN, Federal Income Tax Returns or W-2s, and other records of money earned, bank statements and records of investments, records of untaxed income if applicable, FSA ID if you don't have one. Create it at FSAID.ed.gov. 2. Create an FSA ID. Go to StudentAid.gov to create an FSA ID. You will need this to sign your free application for federal student aid or FAFSA electronically and access federal student aid websites. 3. Complete the FAFSA. Visit FAFSA.gov and start your free application for federal student aid FAFSA. Link. Fill out the application with your financial and personal information. Enter the schools you are considering to receive your financial data. 4. Add the correct school codes. Search for the colleges you are interested in attending and add their school codes in the FAFSA. This ensures those schools receive your financial information to determine aid. 5. Sign and submit the FAFSA. Use your FSA ID to electronically sign the FAFSA and submit your application. Review your confirmation page, which will include your expected family contribution or EFC and details on your aid eligibility. And before we proceed, regardless you are 70 years old or in the aspect of your aid eligibility, you are sure to be granted in your student finance aid. Just be sure to please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. 6. Review your student aid report or SAR. Once processed, you'll receive a student aid report or SAR summarizing your FAFSA. Review it carefully for accuracy. If corrections are needed, make them as soon as possible. 7. Apply for additional aid if needed. Research and apply for scholarships, grants, and private loans to supplement federal aid. Many schools offer institutional aid, so check with your prospective colleges for available opportunities. 8. Receive your financial aid offer. Colleges will send you an award letter outlining the amount of federal financial aid you are eligible to receive. Compare offers and choose the best one for your needs. 9. Accept your aid package. Log into your school student portal to accept or decline each part of your financial aid package: grants, scholarships, loans. 10. Complete entrance counseling or loans. If you are taking out federal student loans, you may need to complete loan entrance counseling, which explains your obligations as a borrower. 11. Sign a Master Promissory Note or MPN. You must sign an MPN if you are accepting federal loans, agreeing to the terms of repayment. 12. Monitor your student account. Keep track of your student loan amounts, interest rates, and repayment terms. You can monitor this through your school and at StudentAid.gov. Link. And there you have it. You are now fully equipped to navigate the path of student finance with confidence. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step, and you are already on your way to a brighter future. No matter where you are or what challenges come your way, always believe in the magic within you. Education is an investment in yourself that pays off in more ways than you can imagine. As the saying goes, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So dream big, work hard, and let your passion light the way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can continue unlocking the magic of student life.